I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind, the blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders.
Welcome to our life in the Philippines. We are heading to SM Clark. The company, what's the company called, huh?
Wishy?
Wishy? Yeah. Wishy-washy? No, Wishy?
Wishy.
Okay. Mike, Yanni's brother Mike actually works for them, and they have an event, so we're gonna go up there and take a little look today.
Yeah, we will check out there because there's a fun activities inside the SM Mall, so we will check it out. So come and watch our ride. Every day is traffic here in Daug. Oh, that's a nice bike also. Bus. Oh, come on. You park on the side of the road? Oh my gulay. More fun in the Philippines, guys.
Picking up some passengers in the middle of the road.
I think it's not allowed to pick up some passengers on the sidewalk, side road, right?
Yeah, I know. There's a lot of things that are not allowed here, and people do it anyway.
Yeah, it's against the law.
Yeah.
Against the law.
Yeah.
It's against the law. But Filipinos are very hard-headed. They don't listen. If you say don't go over there, they go over there. Like me, I'm a Filipino also.
Yeah.
When my husband said, do this, I said, I do it later. Mañana, mañana. That's the mañana habit. Almost there. And it's not really traffic here, right?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Like what happened when the Pyro finals? It's so much traffic. And you can hear also the background. There's karaoke here. Always, every day. Here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Filipino love to sing.
Yes.
Even your voice is not good, they will sing. They will sing 3 o'clock in the morning. from 6 p.m. to 3 o'clock in the morning. And they think their voice is so good, right? There's a number one complainer. What is your opinion, sir?
My opinion?
Yeah?
It's a nuisance.
Noisy. Now we're almost here in SM. Well, we'll go inside to a motorcycle parking area. Here is the SM parking area. It's huge now. Before it's not. They renovate, they move. Uy! Hey, there you go. There's a lot of motorcycles. We need to find the spot. There's more over there. Oh. Can go on the other side.
Huh?
Yeah, here. Here you go. Okay guys, I need to off on the bike, so Shell will park the bike here. I will park the bike. That's our beachy. The beachy. Oops. Okay. There you go. Look, he's wearing flip-flops and wearing shoes. That's how simple life we are. Right? Look, and he have a handkerchief in his head. Yeah.
It is about 94 degrees.
And he's wearing white t-shirt also.